Welcome to International Securities Exchange's podcast series. Facilitated by renowned educators, ISE podcasts are intended to teach beginning as well as seasoned investors the ins and outs of trading. To find an updated list of podcasts, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts. Please be sure to listen to our important message following this episode regarding the risks of investing in exchange-traded options.
Another question, please give us your thought on FX options volatility and liquidity whenever you can. Well, liquidity has picked up dramatically over the last year or so. The bid-ask spreads are tightening each and every week, so please take a look. You can go and look at the options prices right at the site. Liquidity, to me, is best measured by bid-ask spread. So you can check that out. And volatility was contracting all through 2009 and early through 2010. Then it expanded dramatically in May. And now it's been sort of coming in a bit. So prices are a little bit lower than we've seen, well, in May for sure. I'm sorry if you had a problem with the audio reception. But again, you can go to www.ise.com. In fact, I'm going to put that in. Let me put in the www.ise.com/archives for this presentation. If I would urge you to bookmark www.ise.com/archives, and you can check out all of the archives. Let's see if we have any other questions. And if you'd like, you can send me a direct email, and I'll send you the slides if you prefer that. My email address is smeizinger@ise.com. So you can do it either way. You can either go and listen to the presentation again, or you can email me directly. Again, it's smeizinger@ise.com. And you can get the slides. I'll send you a copy of this. Let's see. Looks like I'm going to give everybody another minute. If you have any other questions, you'll notice that we do have most of the most popular currency pair values as they relate to the dollar. The question is, how can I trade these? You need to get an account with an equity options broker. Who might that be? Well, it might be somebody like Interactive Brokers, Trade Station. People like that, depending where you are in the world, E-Trade might be in your region, in your country. If not, you need to find a broker that is. So you can send me an email, and I can give you a couple of suggestions on brokers. There isn't one best broker, but each broker offers something a little bit unique. So at this point, I want to thank all of you for attending, since I don't see any other questions. And I will also want to remind you that each and every week we have webinars, educational webinars. They're always free of charge. Not only that, but we have this site that we think is really excellent. Everything on the site is free, fxoptions.com. Please bookmark it. Whether you come to webinars, whether you want to read the news, whether you want to use the trading tools, we have a calculator on here. We have option skew. It's always free. Thank you, Jens, for your nice comment. Thank you. Everything, the events calendar is there. We have a trader forum. If you ever have a question about ICFX options, you can contact me through the trader forum, and I'll answer your question. We have YouTube videos. So please, there's so many things that are available at www.fxoptions.com. Please bookmark the site and use it. It's a great resource, and it's free, so you can't beat that. Please join us again tomorrow. Steve Nissan will be presenting on using candlesticks to profit from currency moves. That's, again, July 13th, 4:30 Eastern Time. July 21st, Jack Crooks will be with us, capitalizing on the U.S. dollar bull market, and that's on July 21st, 4:30. And for more events, go to www.fxoptions.com/events. Thank you so much for attending today's ISE webinar. This is Steve Meizinger, the Director of Education, wishing you a safe and happy trading day the rest of today and, of course, all throughout the week. Thanks so much for your interest in ISE FX options. Look forward to seeing you real soon. Take care now. Bye.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. To find more podcasts on options, stocks, alternative markets, and market data, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts.